If you have ever looked at the mold drawing and felt confused or missed something important, you are not alone. In this video, we are covering 10 most common mistakes the people make while reading a mold drawing, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you are a beginner or a brushing up your skill, this video will guide you to help read mold drawing like a pro. Even a small mistake could cost your team thousands in rework, so stick around till the end of the video. So friends, welcome to UG Mold Tech. In today's video, we are going to see 10 mold drawing mistakes to avoid. The common 10 mistakes mostly people make while reading the mold drawing. So friends, let's start our today's video. 10 mold drawing mistakes that people make usually. The first will be ignoring the title block. The title block holds the key information like material, part name, revision. Keeping it means working with the outdated or incorrect reference. You should first always check if you receive a mold drawing or assembly drawing. Check the date, okay, material, part number, name, number of cavity, sinkage, all the data you should check, because this is the first step to check our mold assembly drawing. We should not skip this one. And the second point is misreading section view. Section view show internal detail. Many misread them as an external view, lead to a incorrect assumption. Friend, we should check properly where is the section is being cut. Okay, you can see this is AA section book, step section cut. Okay, this is going from here, it is going from the center. There will be a, you can, product runner will be cutted here, and there will be a bolt, and you can see guide pillar or and guide bush, and this is coming outside. Okay, you can see this, you can see bush and the runner. Okay, you should not be confused, because sometimes it is cutted from the center or sometimes it is taken stepped. Okay friend, the next point is confusing dimension with tolerance. Okay, do not assume dimension as exact, always check tolerance. Okay, especially on the critical feature. Okay, this is like a runner. Okay, see, you check the angle. Okay, how much distance it is, how much micron. Okay, we must check. You will see in the drawing also, you can see there are some strict dimension also. You should check properly. Okay, it is 10 micron plus or minus. Okay, this is all control dimension, strict control dimension. It is on the top. Okay, you can see this is also a 10 micron control. It will be plus 10 micron, friends. Okay, you should check properly. Friends, the next point in 10 mold drawing mistakes are overlooking surface finish symbols. Okay, a missed surface finish call out can lead to a poor part ejection or wear in the mold. You should always check in the design for manufacturing. Okay, what are the data given, which surface finish they want. Just like SPI V1 or VDI 27 or glossy, there are different codes are given. Okay, you must check properly which surface finish is required by the customer. And next point in 10 mold drawing mistake is not checking draft angle. Part need proper draft angle for ejection. Ignoring this in the drawing lead to a thick or a damage during demolding. You should check properly where the draft angle is applied or not for easy removal from the mold. Okay friends, you must check properly if draft angle is given or not. And the next point is 6 misinterpreting undercuts. Undercut require a side action, okay, like a slider or lifter. If you miss them in the drawing, your mold would not function correctly. Okay, so you must check thoroughly if there any slider action is there or lifter. Okay, and the next point is 7 skipping over notes and call out. Critical instructions are often in the side note. Always read every note, no matter how small it is. Okay, we should check each and every note that given in the drawing or BOM or the design for manufacturing. Mostly the company required a specific standard of HRC or some texture that are given in the BOM, or it is given in the ESI, or it is given in the drawing. Friend, the next point is 8 assuming all views are in scale. Okay, not all view are 1:1 scale. Misjudging scale can lead to a misalignment or machining error. Okay, we should not assume that all the drawing are in 1:1. Okay, I will show you in the drawing. See here, we have taken a detailed view. Okay, you can see scale 30:1. Okay, here also like that. So you can see the front, this is not up to 1:1 scale. Okay, you should check properly. If you check here dimension, it will be getting wrong. Okay, all drawing views are not 1:1 scale. Friend, the next point is 9th, ignoring cooling channel layout. Okay, cooling is the key to the cycle time. Misunderstanding this path can lead to a warp or slow. Okay, people usually commonly do mistakes. Okay, in some channels or bolts are also hold. Okay, we should check the drawing very carefully before doing the cooling channels. Okay, I will show you the cooling channels. See here, it is the cooling channel. I will show you the another one. You can see this is the cooling channel, and we should check the insert, okay, properly. It is not obstructing or intersecting any bolt or nut or any insert. We should check thoroughly because it can lead to various reworks. Okay friends, the next point is 10th, not verifying material flow direction. Some part requires specific gate placement. Always check the material flow direction if shown in the drawing. Okay, this is the mostly the flow from screw to runner, sub runner, then it is going to the last to the gate, then to the product. Okay, we should check the number of cavity, how it is flowing, it is flowing properly or not. Okay, if it is ejecting, it will be any problem in ejecting or not, so we should check properly. You can see this is the mode closing. You see the now the ejecting, the material is being ejected, it is going through the screw and then it is ejected out. Okay, material is being ejected out. Okay friends, so friends, there you have it, 10 common mistakes that even experienced engineers sometimes make. Okay, while reading the mold drawing, catching these earlier can save you time and money and lot tons of rework. Okay friends, these are the common 10 mistakes mostly people make while reading the mold drawing. Okay, title box, section view, tolerance, surface finish, draft angle, undercuts, nodes, scale, cooling layout and flow direction. Okay, so friends, if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. There are a lot more content coming on your way. See you in the next one. Bye for now.